How to make a PayPal payment link on mobile. 1. Open PayPal. Tap the PayPal icon app which resembles a white P on a dark blue background. This will open your PayPal page if you are logged in. 2. Tap Request. It's a tab at the bottom of the screen. 3. Tap Share your link to get paid. You will find this option near the top of the screen. Doing so brings up a menu of apps through which you can share your PayPal link. 4. Select an app. Tap the app you want to use to share the link. This will open the app with your link in the Share field. 5. Enter the contact information if necessary. 6. Send or post your link. Once you have added any necessary information to the link, tap the Send or Post button to share the link.